Hey there, Tyler Horvath here. Today I'm going to show you how to do keyword research for YouTube videos. So what is keyword research? Well, when looking for videos to make on YouTube, it's a good idea to do some research and find out what keywords people are searching for, because if you make a video that no one's searching for, then no one's going to see it. So by doing keyword research, we can find video ideas that people are searching for to create videos that people are actually going to search for and watch. So today we're going to be using a tool called Ahrefs. Some people call it Ahrefs. It is a keyword research tool for SEO and SEM people. So I'm going to show you how you can do simple keyword research to find out what type of videos or what specific topics of videos to create. So all you have to do is log into Ahrefs, which is a paid platform, so you'll have to pay at least $99 a month to be able to get access to this. And then you can go to the Keyword Explorer, and in here you can search for keywords by Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, Yahoo, and a number of other search engines. So we're going to select YouTube, obviously, and we are going to enter in a topic that we are interested in creating a video for. So I do a lot of online marketing and digital marketing, so let's say we want to create a video about marketing. So we can see here a list of keyword ideas that contain marketing in it. So it looks like the top search term for marketing is affiliate marketing, and it gets 18,000 searches a month. So we can expand this here and view all of the terms that contain marketing, and we can get a little bit more specific with what type of keywords we want to do. So since affiliate marketing is one of the highest searched keywords with marketing in it, let's click on this and get a little more specific to create specific videos about affiliate marketing. So you can see here there are some keywords: affiliate marketing for beginner, Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial, Amazon. So these are all some great keyword ideas to use for specific videos about affiliate marketing. So let's say we wanted to create a video about affiliate marketing on Amazon. So we can kind of look at some other keyword ideas for this keyword specifically to get some keyword ideas to throw in our video and to see if there's maybe any questions about Amazon marketing. If you want to see any type of questions, you can click questions, and that will show you a bunch of questions that people have that contain this keyword. So we can see a lot of people search for how to start Amazon affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon, how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. So these are all good questions that you can answer in your video to include these keywords in your video and start ranking for these keywords. So that's basically all that you have to do simple keyword research to find keywords to use in your YouTube videos. It's a good idea because you don't want to make a video that no one is searching for. So make sure you do your keyword research first and look for keyword ideas that people are actually searching for and create videos on those topics. So you can even get even more in depth with it and copy the keyword that you want to use for your video, and then actually go to YouTube and search for it in YouTube. And this will give you an idea of the type of video that you're going to have to create in order to rank on the first page of Google. So you can see all of these videos here on the first page. They have about 65,000 views, 465,000, 92,000, 68,000. So just by looking at the videos, we can definitely tell that they're getting a lot of views and watches, probably from being on the first page for this search term. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult to rank for, so make sure you watch all of these videos. It looks like some of them are 20 minutes, 7 minutes, 20 minutes, 16, 17, 24. So you kind of want to shoot for around the average of those websites, maybe 20 minutes. The shorter ones are probably too short, and then the longer ones are probably a little too long. So it looks like YouTube is preferring about a 20-minute video here. And this one is an ad, so it doesn't really count. These are all the organic results below it. So that can kind of give you an idea of what kind of video you should make and what your video should be about. Now just watch some of these videos and simply make a better video than they have, and try and provide more information than these videos have, and you will definitely rank for your given keyword. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions at all about doing keyword research for YouTube videos, simply comment below. Be sure to follow my channel. I'm always posting great content on how to start and grow businesses online. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.